Then we move to analysis. Now we want to count the number of A plus, A or A minus, B plus, the number of grade, get the number of grade is the what we call number of students who get A plus. So to use this, we are going to use COUNTIF. COUNTIF the range and the criteria. We have two part here. So first the range. The range is from where we're going to use. Is from data of physics result 2019. We use the average mark. So we select the range here. No, here. Because what we are going to calculate is, what we are going to count is the A plus, A or C, the grade we are going to count. And the criteria is here. How many A plus in the range data that we just choose right now, just now. Okay. Here, all of this, we have 4 for A plus, 1 for A, 1 for A minus, B plus 3, B 4, B minus 2, C plus 1, C 1, C minus 2. Here we see we have 19 students. Just to be clear, if all student is counted, so we are going to use sum function. So sum, here is sum, and the range here. It should have 19 students. Yes, it is 19 students, so all students are counted. Next, the average mark. We just refer from here, the average mark is 91.6. 91.6. Gereluda Bangkau, Gereluda Bangkau. Where is here? 85.5. Mak Daniel Faisal bin Abdul Halim. Here 96.1. 96.1. Siti Nur Aisyah bin Adi Herman. 88.3. So look, the number, the decimal place is inconsistent. So how we are going to make it to one decimal? So we right click and format cell. Find the number, change it to one decimal places, and okay. So now it's more clear and easy to do. And we're done for calculating, for learning using COUNTIF function. Next is about to make a table or chart a figure so that we can see the analysis better. So we are going to do chart for final result and chart for average mark. So what we're going to do is, first select the student, because we must know the mark is for who. And then we click Control to choose another range of data. So we choose final test here. The percentage. Choose the percentage. Okay, done. And then we go to insert. We find chart. What type of chart we want? For example, we use column chart. 3D column chart. Like this. Wait. Something is wrong. Then we do this again, control, and choose the final percentage. Insert chart. Where is it? Here. 3D column chart. Just to make it easier, we cut Control X and put it in this sheet. And this is the percentage final test for student 5 Amanah. Then here we can change it. If, for example, the legend we just can remove because it doesn't important in here. The data label, if you want, we can put it so we can have a clear view the mark getting by the student, but it's all on you whether you want or not. The chart title, for example, the final test percentage final test student 5 Ana. If you doesn't want, you can just remove it and put it again. You can also color it using your preference. Then it's done for final test. Move to the average mark figure. First, you will select the name and the average mark. Go to insert, chart, choose the chart you want. Maybe now we can use 3D bar chart. Here, chart is easier to see. Cut it, Control X to the figure. Then title, percentage, average mark 2019. In here, we can have the edit title if you want. Example, here we can write the percentage. And here, the name. But if you don't want so, you can just remove it. If you don't want for the example, just for the y-axis. Then remove for the vertical one. If you just only want for percentage, remove legend because it's not used. This part, title, you want to see the data table, you can just wait, but we'll make it the graph. So if you want to, if you have small data range, maybe you can use data table, so it will be more neat. Do data label if you want, you can put. If you don't want to, if you don't want so, you don't need. But for the this part, what we can use is we can use chart filter. For example, we want to see the higher percentage among this group. So what we need to do is we see here Ahmad Ifan bin Abdul Ghaffar. And we say it is above 80. So we select him. Arif Irfan is above 80. Azrat Shakirin, he did not pass 80, so we can remove it. Ainul Khaldah, no. Doesn't pass. Elina, no. Aisha barely achieved 80, but it's not, so we will not count it. Farahia, no. Parwiza Yusrin, no. Garin, yes, he passed 80, choose it. Khairul Imran doesn't pass 80, doesn't pass 80, doesn't pass 80, doesn't pass 80. Muhammad Dev Faisal, he will reach more than 90. Muhammad Faizuddin doesn't pass 80. Muhammad Haris Effendi doesn't pass 80 and pass 80. Here, and then we choose apply. Here we can see, we can get the name for students who are above 80. So now we have learned how to use chart. Select the data range, go to insert and insert chart. That's all from me. Thank you.